Are your .NETZip application failing because of the Ionic Zip Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we get started with Ionic Zip Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Ionic Zip Library, the execution engine for the .NETZip, Ionic Zip Library. It provides localized high-level APIs for C-hours applications to manage .zip archive creation, AES encryption, and multi-threaded localized extraction. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Ionic Zip is a restricted library bundled with the .NETZip engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ionic Zip library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Ionic Zip Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Ionic Zip Library. If you've regained access to Ionic Zip Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.